Welcome back, everybody. So we're going to continue with some more examples of complex numbers. Now, I've written some. Oh, I made a mistake here already. So I've written some important information for you to keep in mind while I'm going through this video. Remember that I squared is equal to -1. I is equal to -1 under the radical. And then the standard form of a complex number is a plus bi. Now let's go ahead and do the first example. We have 8 plus 2i plus 1 minus I. We can just go ahead and break the parentheses. We're going to get 8 plus 2i, 8 plus 2i plus 1 minus I. And if we group like terms, we have 8 plus 1, which is 9, and then 2i minus I. This is going to give us plus I. And that's our first answer. Now we have 2 plus 2i squared. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go ahead and break it up into two terms. So we have 2 plus 2i times 2 plus 2i. Then you can just use the distributive property here. We have 2 times 2, that's 4. Then we have 2 times 2i, they're going to give us plus 4i. And we have 2i times 2i, that's 4i again. Then we have 2i times 2i, that's going to give us plus 4i squared. Now, if we group like terms, we have our the leading term here, which is a. That's 4, and then we have 4i plus 4i. That's going to give us 8i, and then we have plus 4i squared. Now, I squared is equal to -1, so 4 times -1, and then -1 times 4. That's going to give us -4. So we can go ahead and erase that, since it's going to cancel with positive 4. Then we're left with 8i. And that's our answer. In the last example, we have -3 plus I times I. We can use the distributive property here again. So -3i plus I squared. I squared is -1, so -3i minus 1. And if you want to write that in standard form, that's going to become -1 minus 3i. And that's our answer. So this is pretty easy. It's just some basic algebra. As long as you remember this this information I've written here. I squared is equal to -1, I is equal to radical -1, and then the standard form of a complex number is presented as a plus bi. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that subscribe button. That's going to help grow the channel more. Please also go ahead and like this video. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get to that. And if you have more problems for me to do, I'll be more than happy to go ahead and do them, then I'll post them later. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.